hope you all are fine.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है आपके? आई होप आप लोग सब ठीक होंगे. वेलकम टू आवर न्यू वीडियो टुडे. वेलकम टू आवर चैनल. ओके and welcome to our new video. Okay, and today we are going to perform an activity in which Aarib will learn the spelling of his name, and also he will learn how to arrange spellings of his name, and will learn to pronounce his name. And he will also learn different words, like it's an activity for making words with a puzzle. It's basically a puzzle in which I will give different letters to Aarib, and he will arrange that letters to make some sensible word or make his name. So what we have to do, I will write spellings, like spellings of different words, yes, for you, and then I will cut these letters and put them in envelope, and then I will give that envelope to Aarib, and Aarib will take out all these letters and then arrange them to make his name. Okay, so first I will write Aarib's name letters. Take this envelope, yes, and take out all the letters. Yes, and tell us what is it.
A.
You take.
I.
Put it right there. Next. What is it? A. Yes. What is it? Yes. Put it here. What is it? Okay. Next. Now can you spell your name? First, your first letter will be capital A. Where is uppercase A? Where is uppercase? Yes, A. Then lowercase a. Then R. Yes. Then I. Yes. Then B. B. Is it B? Does it look like B? Yes. Now, can you spell your name?
A-R-I-B. Aarib.
Yes. Can you put them together again?
Yes.
In right way? Yes. Do it again. Does it look like B?
Okay.
Yes.
Our face going to be here.
Yes, very good.
Our hair. And I here.
Yes, I hear. Yes, very good.
And A here. A here.
Yes, that's good.
A here.
Yes, now you have done it. Right. Very good. Okay. Can you do it again for me?
Yes.
One more time?
Yes. Okay.
Alright, do it. Do it here. Written here
D
from left.
A R I B. Arib.
Yes, and what is Aarib?
Arib means Arib.
Aarib is your name. Aarib is my name.
Arib is my name.
Yes, very good. So इसी तरह कुछ और puzzles भी हैं like different words के वो भी हम लोग साथ साथ करते हैं. Well, I already made it. We will just cut them.
I know to do these.
Yes, you will. Aarib, you want to do next puzzle?
Yes.
Okay. Now next puzzle, you will arrange the spellings of word apple. Okay. What is this?
Apple.
Can you spell it?
A P P
Mhm.
L
Yes.
L E.
Yes. Apple.
Apple.
Okay. Now I will give you the puzzle. Apple. Where is apple? Okay. Take this. Now you have to arrange like this. What is this?
Apple.
You have to arrange all the letters in it like this. Okay. First, what is the first letter here?
A.
You have to find A from there. Put it here. Now, what is the next letter?
P.
What is the next? Yes, P. Again, find P from this envelope. Yes, good. Now, what is the next letter here? What we have done already? What is this?
A.
A is here. What is this?
P.
P is here. What is this? Now you find P from there.
No. Phone.
Yes. Now what is the next letter? Fourth letter.
L.
Take L out. Take L from this envelope. Yes. Very good. Now what is the last letter here?
E.
E. So what word is this? What is this here?
Apple.
So what you have written here?
A.
Hmm.
P.
Hmm.
P.
Hmm.
L. E.
Hmm. What does it make?
Apple.
Yes. What does it make?
Apple.
Apple.
You do next puzzle.
You want to do next puzzle?
Yes.
In next puzzle, what we have to do? What is this?
Horse.
Horse. Can you spell it?
H.
Hmm.
O. R. S. E.
Yes. Horse.
Horse.
Take out different letters from it and arrange it like this. Listen. Arrange it like this. What is the first letter here?
H.
We find H from this envelope. Take out all the letters.
Sailor. This here. This here. And this here. And this here.
That's great, Ari. What is this? What is this?
Horse.
Yes, and what is here? What did you make here? the same thing you made here. What is this? What is this?
Horse.
And what is written here? Same thing. You wrote horse here.
I wrote horse here.
Yes. What is this?
Horse.
And what have you write here?
I wrote horse here.
Okay. You said you want to do one last puzzle?
Yeah.
So I have this last puzzle for you.
G-R-A-B-E-X.
And what does this make? What does these letters make?
Grapes.
Yes, very good. Grapes. Yes, arrange it like that. And now you have to do it by yourself. I will not tell you.
E here.
Mhm.
You don't tell me.
Okay, I am not telling you.
Yes, that's like A. It's right
Great.
here.
Very good.
That's like P.
Wow. Yes, find it. Oh, it's here.
P goes here.
Very good.
Above.
Gilly. Next.
Let me see. E.
Very good.
Heavy.
Put G back there on its place.
Now
Yes.
it goes here.
Hmm.
Right.
What is that?
It won't go. It goes right here.
Very good.
What is that also?
What is that? No, we are not writing flower. We are just writing grapes. Okay. Now what can you tell us? What have you written here?
I have written
Hmm.
the grapes.
Very good. Now, are you done with the puzzle or you want to do more?
I want to do more. I want to do this.
Is this your last puzzle?
This is.
Okay, now find the letters and arrange them. That's what you need.
F.
Very good. Now find F from them.
Here, F.
Very good.
F goes right here.
What is next? What is it?
L.
Very good.
L goes right here.
Wow.
What is it? Yes, O.
Oh,
Then
wow.
this.
That's
Here.
good. Hmm.
Right. Yes, R.
No.
E.
No.
That's it.
After O. What is after O? What is it?
W.
Yes. You missed it.
In here.
Yes, it is.
No, like here. It's
Yeah.
like this.
Yes. You
It goes right here.
go right here. Great. What next?
Then E.
Good.
Right here. It goes right here. R.
Ah.
It goes
Wow.
right here.
Okay. So what did you write here?
Flower.
Very good. Can you spell it and then?
F.
Hmm.
L.
Hmm.
O.
Hmm.
W.
Hmm.
E.
Hmm.
R.
And what is it?
Flower.
Very good. So now, are you done with the puzzles? Are you happy now? Okay, should we stop?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, this was our today's activity. It was a little bit tough for Aarib. He was confused in the start, but after 3 to 4 puzzles, he get used to it. And then he started doing and he started to enjoy the puzzle. And after that, he asked different things that he wanted to do grapes or he wanted to do flowers. So I made a puzzle for what he wants, and then he put together all the letters and he made different words, and then he started to recognize the letters and started to make words with that letter. So it was a very good activity for this stage of kids like 3 to 4 years who are going to their preschools. So
Orange color.
मतलब उनको जो वर्ड्स हैं वो सीखने में हेल्प मिलती है। तो ये एक अच्छी एक्टिविटी है, करते रहनी चाहिए वक्त को। तो आई होप कि आपको ये एक्टिविटी पसंद आई होगी। तो हमारी वीडियो भी लाइक कर दें और हमारा चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि हमारी जो लेटेस्ट वीडियोस हैं वो आपको टाइमली मिलती रहे। So we will meet you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll meet you in next video. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.